Hi students, today I will proceed you with the continuation part of the our environment. Today's topic is about the ozone layer and how it is getting depleted, right? The first thing is that what is the ozone layer? The ozone layer has a molecule of the 3 oxygen. See here in this formula I have written, right? So in this 3 oxygen it is generally an aerobic form of the life. Why? Because at a higher level of atmosphere, ozone acts as a surface shield of the earth from the ultraviolet radiation from the sun. And this ultraviolet radiation protection generally protect the human bodies and the other living organisms from the diseases called the cancer. So this ozone layer is very important for the sustainability of the life on the earth's surface. But however, the depletion of the ozone layer has been performed day by day over and over years by the activity of the human beings. What are those activity? First and foremost thing is that is a CFC. It is a synthetic chemical and the full form of the CFC is the chlorofluorocarbon. This chlorofluorocarbon generally attack this O3. When it is attacked the O3, that time small holes occur and these holes generally allows the UV to easily penetrate through it and it can touch the earth surface. Therefore it increases the chances of the cancer among the living organisms, right? The CFC are used in the refrigerator, in the case of the fire extinguisher, this kind of things. So in another things we come to know that in 1987 the UNEP, the full form of the UNEP is United Nations Environment Program, generally has an agreement to the fridge CFC production that they have to prepare the CFC free refrigerators throughout the world. We all know that refrigerators is very important in our daily life, but we have to reduce the CFC production from the refrigerators so that the adverse effect of it on the ozone layer can be eliminated. So this is the important thing about the ozone and how it is getting depleted. Now let's come here the managing the garbage we produce. We all know that there are the different kind of waste. Suppose hospitality waste, household waste, industrial waste. This kind of waste are generally we produced. But there are the two types of waste are there. One is the biodegradable waste and another one is the non-biodegradable waste. What is the meaning of the biodegradable waste? That waste can be easily degraded into the simpler substances. And in the case of the non-biodegradable waste, this waste cannot be degraded into the simpler substances. So we have to differentiate between the non-biodegradable waste and the biodegradable waste so that we can manage this garbage issue. We can generally suppose prepare different color dustbins like green, blue, red in this way so that we can throw different waste as per is the degradable nature. When we can throw this kind of degradable nature and it have to be thrown out in a isolated area so that it can never be affect our normal lifestyle. So we have to very concerned about the waste where we are throwing this garbage, right? So this is the thing we can, by the help of this procedure we can manage the garbage we produce. So here after we have learned the two points, that is the ozone layer and its depletion and the managing garbage we produce. So here after completing these two topics we are also completing this chapter, that is the our environment. If you have any queries regarding it, please write in your feedback. Okay, thank you.